Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 543 times 71, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So what we're going to do first is we're going to multiply the top three numbers times the bottom digit in the ones place. So we're going to start off with 3 times 1. Any number multiplied times 1 is going to equal the number itself, so that makes this first round of multiplication easy. 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 times 1 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. Next, we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Three times 7 equals 21. Now, we have to regroup because our product is more than 10. Anytime our product is 10 or more, we have to regroup. So the 1 in 21 goes in the tens place, the 2 in 21 gets carried over to the hundreds place. But we put the 2 above the 4. Remember, we put a 0 in the ones place. So next, we're going to multiply. So we just multiplied 3 times 7, and we carried the 2 over. Now we need to multiply 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. We have to add the 2 to our answer. 28 plus 2 equals 30. Again, we have to regroup. The 0 in 30 goes in the hundreds place. The 3 in 30 gets carried over to the thousands place. 5 times 7 equals 35. Plus 3 equals 38. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. So 3 plus 0 equals 3, 4 plus 1 equals 5, 5 plus 0 equals 5. Because there's no digit, whenever there's no digit in the thousands place or the 10,000s place, whenever there's no digit, we assume that the number is 0. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 543 times 71 equals 38,553. All right, moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 924 times 53. That is our next example problem. 924 times 53. All right, we are going to start in the ones place. 4 times 3 equals 12. The 2 and 12 goes in the ones place. The 1 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. We don't need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. 9 times 3 equals 27. So far we have multiplied 924 times 3. Next, we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Crossing out all the regrouping from the last round so we don't get confused. All right. 4 times 5 equals 20. 0, carry the 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. We have to add the 2 that we carried over. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 2, carry the 1. 9 times 5 equals 45, plus 1 equals 46. All right, next, we have to add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 924 times 53 equals 48,972. All right, moving on to the next example problem. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Oh, shout out to Mr. C. All right, next example problem is 498 times 15. So we start in the ones place with 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. 0, carry the 4. 9 times 5 equals 45. We have to add the 4 we carried over. 45 plus 4 equals 49. So the 9 and 49 goes in the tens place. The 4 and 49 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 plus 4 equals 24. Next, we got to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. So the bottom digit in the tens place is a 1, so that makes this pretty easy. Any number multiplied by 1 is going to equal the number itself. 8 times 1 equals 8. 9 times 1 equals 9. 4 times 1 equals 4. Now, there's a reason that we did not need to regroup for any of those numbers. What's the reason? Somebody in the chat explain why we did not need to regroup. I know the answer. I want to see if you all know the answer. I'm going to give you all to the 8 minute and 30 second mark to type it up. Why did we not need regrouping? All right, if no one's going to type it in the chat, I'll answer my own question. We did not need regrouping because our products were all 9 or less. Everything we multiplied by 1, our products ended up being less than 10. So we only regroup when our products are 10 or more. Now the final step to solving this problem is we have to add these two numbers together. All right, so starting in the ones place, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7, carry the 1. 4 plus 9 equals 13. Plus 1 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 4 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 498 times 15 equals 7,470. All right, next example problem. Stay tuned for the final example problem of the video. Again, shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button if you have not already. All right, we're going to start out by multiplying. Actually, let me read the problem first. 943 times 73. 943 times 73 is our next example problem. All right, starting in the ones place, we're going to multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2, carry the 1. 9 times 3 equals 27, plus 1 equals 28. So now we've multiplied the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. Next, we need to multiply these top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits have already been multiplied, we are going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 7 equals 21. 1, carry the 2. 4 times 7 equals 28, plus 2 equals 30. 0, carry the 3. 9 times 7 equals 63, plus 3 equals 66. Next, we have to add these two numbers together. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 0 plus 6 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 943 times 73 equals 68,839. 943 times 73, again, equals 68,839. All right, that is my live stream for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel.